Clearborough, North Dallas, 2023 Tesla Model S, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus, full ceramic over the PPF, Fusion, and also Xpel XR Plus window film, full vehicle except for the panoramic roof, 30% all the way around in the back. That's the 30% XR Plus with 70% on the windshield. The full PPF, bless you, full PPF, wrapping all the edges like always here at Clearborough, North Dallas, making sure there is no lines at all visible and making sure that everything is wrapped around. 99% of the time, all these panels can be fully wrapped unless there was a problem with alignment at the factory. This one here is too tight, so we stop our line right here at the tip of the bumper, but I get the fenders able to go in. So I wrap that whole corner of the hood, corner of the fender, all the way around, all the way under, wrapping into our camera area, wrapping our fender at the top all the way around the line, wrapping our A-pillar fully in and fully in. So there's no lines anywhere on top. Mirror, all the way around, all the way around. Everything's looking great. Our doors and fender fully wrapped in. So the fender goes in and then the door all the way on the bottom, fully wrapped in as well. Coming around this guy, this is a very thick area, but 100% wrap. We don't have a line here. This whole fender, as it comes around, we wrap the whole thing in because it's painted, so we don't want it to get chipped up. Full rockers all the way under and into the doors. And all these moldings, we're wrapping underneath them, taking them off, putting them back, fully wrapped in. The hatch, 100% into the glass, no lines on top. This is seamed back here. Everything looks perfect. Full bumper all the way through, all the way into the trunk area, all the way down. I gotta clean this up. And then much more of the same on, excuse me, on this side. And that's pretty much it. Oh, wrapping into the port here. And much more of the same on this, all under the moldings, into each area of the door, all 4 sections. So there's really, the only area we could not wrap on this was this fender area. It's just not safe. It moves more than this one does. It's just gonna, I think over time it's gonna pull that film out. So the safest thing to do is end that line right at the top. No big gap, fully covered. Tesla's got some, I mean, this hood isn't even lined up at all. He's got to take it back and get it fixed. It's just got a huge gap and lifted, and it got a huge dust nib in the base coat that won't come out. But that's nature of the beast here for Tesla. Great car, looks good, fully protected, 10 years. This guy gets a new one every 3 years, so he won't even touch the what the film can do. This film can last a long time and take a lot of beating. It self-heals on scratching. He'll never wax it. Just wash it and go. So ClearboroughNorthDallas.com if you got any questions. 214-414-3809. Thanks for watching.